So we are done with the Laravel installation with JSTM for login register, and we already done the basic CRUD operation. Now we will move to the next part. So in this video, I will discuss the basic flow and the ER diagram for this basic SaaS system. Then, so first there will be multiple plans on our website. So the ER diagram I'm showing, it will not have all the fields and all these things. Some fields might get changed and multiple fields will be added, but the basic structure will remain the same. So that's why what I'm discussing. So there will be the plans. So some plans will be there, basic, pro, and all these things. So, and this basically whenever a business signs up, they have to subscribe a plan, and so for that table we will have that particular plan ID, and we will have multiple business columns and all these things. And once a business signs up, also whatever the whichever the user is signing up for that business, he also adds to add his details, name, email, and all of those things. So we will just add that user as an admin to that particular business. So, and we are giving option for every businesses to create custom roles in our systems, so they can create custom roles and assign different permissions available in our system, and so they can customize for their business. And basically there will be the so this is it, the flow. I will just explain a little bit about this ER diagram. So business will have multiple users, and I'm giving that option key a single user can be in multiple businesses. If some users wants to manage multiple businesses, it can be done using this system. So same user will have multiple businesses and business will have multiple users. So we have created this business user pivot table. And then basically obviously in roles, we will have multiple permissions. So there is also one pivot table permission role. And roles, basically a user will have multiple roles, and that's why there is one pivot table role user. And similarly, while adding this option, so what I want to do, whenever users logged in, we will definitely check that particular user has that permission or not to access a particular page, function, or link, button, whatever it may be. So we will check that. Also we will check one thing, if that user, whatever the business he is logged in, that business has subscribed to a plan or not, and that plan has that permission or not. If not, then basically we'll show that message key you cannot access this particular module or page because your plans have expired, if for plan. And for that particular basically if there is permission is not matching, means business didn't give that access to that user, so there will be the unauthorized message will be there. So likewise, so this is a basic ER diagram. So now from next video we'll try to implement these things. So we'll first implement the plans, and then for plans, after plans we will add the sign up flow where business and user can sign up. And then basically they can create multiple roles, and basically they can assign that roles to users, and basically they can invite more users for that particular business.